Alright, so I'm going to do a couple little runs here with my Losi 110 scale desert truck. Yes, it does have working head and tail lights. And right now I'm just running on a stock setup and a 2400 milliamp 7.2 volt nickel metal hydrate battery. So here we go. So it's kind of snowy out a little bit. Not really. It's about mid-January, and there's not too much snow. Usually we'd have way more snow than this, but anyways, here we go. Rip's pretty good. Seems to have good speed. And yeah, stupid dog likes to chase it, but I'm gonna bring out the ramp. I'll do a couple jumps. Handles in the air pretty well, even though that is a smaller jump, but I can't get too much speed because there's a lot of water on the driveway. But